In front of me is Motorola Razr 70 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this Motorola. First of all, go into Play Store and download free app called DevCheckDevice and SystemInfo from Flarto developer. Not sponsored, by the way. When it's ready, launch it, and thanks to it, learn all the information about your Motorola's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, camera, apps, and sensors. Quick tip: when you go into dashboard, make sure to tap on all of those sections, not only to read all the information about the chosen one, but also because when you click on settings at the bottom right corner of each one, you will get transferred to this section in your device's settings right away. It also works when you click on gear icons. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!